Welcome. If you're looking to find draft emails that are older than a year in your Gmail account using your Android or iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll take you step by step through the updated process to easily locate those old drafts you might have forgotten about. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll see your inbox right away. To get started, look for the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Tap this icon to open the navigation menu. Next, from the list that appears, scroll until you see the Drafts option. Tap on Drafts. This will take you to a section where all your unsent emails are stored, including some you may have written and never finished or simply decided not to send yet. Now, pay attention to the top of the Drafts page, just underneath the search bar. Here, you'll spot a Date Filter option. Tap on Date. This opens up a small menu, giving you several filtering choices. Select older than a year. In seconds, Gmail will automatically display every draft email in your account that's been sitting untouched for more than 12 months. This feature is incredibly useful if you're trying to declutter your drafts, rediscover lost ideas, or simply organize your mailbox. You'll be able to read, edit, or delete these old drafts as needed. Maybe you'll find a forgotten message that's ready to be sent or an old note you want to revisit. Remember, keeping your Gmail drafts organized is an easy way to keep your inbox tidy and your thoughts in order. Checking for old drafts regularly also ensures you don't leave important messages unfinished. That's all it takes to find your draft emails older than a year on Gmail, right from your mobile device. Give these steps a try and take control of your email organization today.